Right now, content teams are generating thousands of words a minute. They're churning through drafts, tweaking prompts, and pushing publish faster than ever before. But the result is a sea of hollow, indistinguishable posts. You can spot the symptoms quickly. One day, a brand sounds like a seasoned executive, and the next, it reads like a robotic textbook. The core message drifts from piece to piece. Treating AI as the strategy overlooks its real role as a multiplier. It multiplies whatever system you already have. If your process is chaotic, AI simply gives you the power to produce noise at the speed of light. For professional service firms, that noise is a direct threat. When your entire business model and client pipeline relies on deep trust and intellectual credibility, you cannot afford to sound like everyone else. Teams don't need better prompts. They need a structured 10-step system that protects their credibility. Reliable scale relies on an operational workflow that filters out noise at every stage. Before you even open an AI tool, you must pour a strategic foundation. Without it, the machine simply guesses your starting point. Step 1 is defining your strategic anchors. This means explicitly mapping out your core service themes and exactly which audience segments you're trying to reach. Step 2 requires establishing a precise content angle. Instead of a broad topic like AI in business, you focus on a real, immediate problem your clients face and a practical way to solve it. Step 3 takes those elements and creates a structured brief. This standardizes the inputs for every single output, giving you a consistent baseline. This strategy phase acts as a guardrail, ensuring every draft serves a specific business objective. Once the strategy is locked, we move into production. This is where the structured brief meets the generative machine. In step 4, you use AI strictly to generate a structured first draft. The goal here is speed with direction. Perfection is not the objective at this stage. This is where the process breaks. Teams push raw AI drafts straight to publish. Instead, step 5 demands human intervention to adjust tone, clarify language, and apply your specific point of view. Step 6 injects practical frameworks and real-world examples, building true credibility. Finally, step 7 is structuring that refined text for maximum readability. You refine headings and adjust the flow between paragraphs to prevent audience drop-off. The AI builds the initial scaffolding at high speed, but human insight transforms it into a structural asset worth consuming. With the content polished, the final phase focuses on maximizing the return on investment for that human refined work across your broader digital ecosystem. Step 8 involves atomizing that core piece of content. You split it into multiple distinct formats, like emails, social posts, and short-form media for different channels, a process AI safely accelerates. Step 9 requires committing to a consistent publishing cadence. Establishing a reliable rhythm builds trust far better than sudden, sheer volumes of posts. Finally, step 10 is auditing the workflow itself on a regular basis. Instead of just looking at the metrics of individual posts, you analyze the system to find bottlenecks and improve efficiency. Distribution creates a feedback loop that continually refines the efficiency of the entire 10-step engine. Compare the initial chaos of ad hoc prompting with this powerful new reality, a coordinated, predictable content engine. The overarching workflow, not the individual AI tool, dictates the quality and credibility of your output. Implementing all 10 steps at once can feel daunting, but you can establish structure today with a practical, immediate starting point. First, clearly define your core content themes to anchor all of your future output. Second, commit to using a consistent, structured brief for every single piece generated. And third, standardize exactly how those drafts are reviewed, refined, and approved by human experts. Ready to build a content system that scales with your business? Start the conversation with Foundari today.